Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you like my video, please click on like button, and please I request you, please subscribe my channel. Donald Trump on Thursday declared his opposition to changing the rules for the next two presidential debates and suggested he would not allow such a thing to happen, setting up a potential clash with organizers. The Commission on Presidential Debates on the non-partisan body which puts on the events announced after Tuesday after Tuesday's recalls clash between Mr. Trump and Joe Biden, the Democratic presidential nominee, that additional structure would be put in place for the two remaining meetings. One specific change they are considering, according to the Associated Press, is giving the debate moderator the ability to cut off the microphone of one candidate to allow the other to answer a question, a move that could be effective but controversial. Mr. Trump left no doubt about his opposition on Tuesday afternoon, tweeting, "Why would I allow the debate commission to change the rules for the second and third debates when I easily won last time?" The remarks raised the question of whether the US President will agree to attend the last two debates if, as expected, the Commission announces format changes. The idea of cutting microphones is being discussed after Mr. Trump interrupted either Mr. Biden or the moderator Chris Wallace at least 128 times during the 90 minutes debate in Cleveland, according to the magazine Slate, which went back and counted. Details of specific format changes are yet to be announced, but Mr. Trump's tweet was processed by his campaign spokesman Tim Murtaugh, rejecting the need for any modifications. They are only doing this because their guy not pummeled last night. Presidential Trump was the dominant force, and now Joe Biden is trying to work the refs. Mr. Martha said on Wednesday they should not be moving the goalposts and changing the rules in the middle of the game. Similarly, Kelly McEnany, the White House press secretary, said that Mr. Trump does not want rules the cover for certain candidates and inability to perform well as JB at Mr. Biden, yet steering Republican senators expressed their dismay at the state of the discussions. I never dreamed that I would go off the tracks the way it did, Mr. Biden said. I am a pro. I've never been through anything like this. Mr. Valence called the way the debate had turned out sad and a terrible missed opportunity for the nation to learn more about the candidates. Mr. Trump, speaking at a rally on Wednesday night, again criticized Mr. Valence for his handling of the clash. "I was debating two people last night. I am so disappointed in Fox, the US